2026 is not waiting for anyone. The world is shifting at a speed we've never seen before, and the people who rise will not be the ones with perfect backgrounds or perfect opportunities. They will be the ones who choose to grow, choose to learn, and choose to move forward even when everything around them is uncertain. 2026 will belong to the people who understand that the biggest investment they can ever make is in themselves. The first group that will own the future are the people who embrace AI instead of fearing it. Technology is not your enemy. Your hesitation is. The world is moving toward smarter tools, faster systems, and new possibilities. Those who understand how AI works, who learn how to use it in their jobs, businesses, and daily life, they will be ahead of everyone else. The truth is simple. AI will not replace humans, but humans who know how to use AI will replace the ones who don't. The second group are the people who can control their focus in a distracted world. We live in the age of noise, constant scrolling, constant comparisons, constant pressure. While everyone else is lost in digital chaos, the people who protect their attention, even for one focused hour a day, will become unstoppable. In 2026, the most valuable skill will not be intelligence. It will be the ability to concentrate. Your attention is your currency, and the world rewards those who spend it wisely. The third group are the people who learn faster than others. Skills that were useful 5 years ago are disappearing. New opportunities are appearing every month. The winners of 2026 will be those who learn quickly, adapt instantly, and don't let fear stop them from upgrading their abilities. The future does not reward perfection. It rewards speed, consistency, and curiosity. The people who keep learning will keep winning. 2026 will also belong to the people who master their mind. Mental strength is becoming the real superpower of this generation. People who build emotional control, who protect their peace, who understand their thoughts, and who take care of their inner world will make better decisions and face challenges with confidence. When your mind is strong, your life becomes strong. Everything starts inside you before it becomes reality around you. And finally, the future will belong to the people who take action, not the people who talk, not the people who overthink, not the people who wait for the perfect moment, but the ones who move, the ones who start before they feel ready, the ones who push forward even when they feel tired, the ones who stay consistent even when motivation disappears. Plans don't create success. Actions do. 2026 will belong to the people who show up every day, who keep improving, and who refuse to stay the same. The next year will not be claimed by the lucky, it will be claimed by the prepared. So ask yourself honestly, are you building the future you want, or are you living inside the past you fear? Because your future doesn't begin in January, or next month, or someday. It begins the moment you decide to rise, and that moment is now.